Hello, nice to see you again. Now we will perform the inspection of our alternator power cables. Ensure that the generator control is on manual mode. And then we will put the lever of the governor to the stop position. Then we will change over the switch from remote to engine side. And finally, we will close the starting air supply. Now we are sure that we can work safely on our alternator. And here is what's inside the alternator. These are the power cables of a three-phase line. And as we can see here, that there are paint marks on the bolts of the wires. This mark is an indication if your bolts are loosened or not. So luckily, we have still intact bolts and nut connections. And physically, our wires are still healthy. What I am doing here is to double check if the wires and the bolts are still in good contact. It is very important to check to ensure that there are no loose connections on the bus bar and the cables. And now we will proceed to check the inner side of the alternator. What I am showing is the discharge resistor. I have an experience before. Our generator was not having a 440 volts output. After checking the discharge resistor, it was found that one wire was cut off, and after the wire replacement, the generator 440 volts output goes back to normal. And now we will proceed to check these cables on the bus bar. As we can see here, all cables are still in good condition. This is what's inside of our main switchboard. Just be very careful in opening this panel because these wires are very dangerous. Bus bars are also located in this panel. And now we will proceed to check the distribution board. Circuit breaker of every electrical equipment in this ship is located in the distribution panel. All bus bars and wires in here are still in good condition. Now we can assure that the electrical power of our ship is still in good working condition.